Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're here, chances are you're looking to transfer your website in Wix to a new owner, whether it's for a business handover, a collaborative project, or just making sure management goes smoothly. Today, I'm going to walk you step by step through transferring site ownership in Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to confidently hand off your Wix website with just a few clicks, knowing you've done it safely and correctly. Let's get started right away. First, make sure you're logged into your Wix account. This may sound obvious, but remember, you need to sign in with the account that actually owns the site you want to transfer. Double-check that you're not in a collaborator account or a different admin panel, because only the current owner can kick off the transfer process. If you're unsure, log out and back in, or check your account details in the profile section before moving forward. Once you're logged in, look at the very top left of your Wix dashboard. You'll see an option that says Go to All Sites. Give that a click. This is important because Wix lets users manage multiple websites from a single account, and we need to make sure you're working with the specific website you want to transfer. Don't worry if the interface looks a little different. Wix does update their dashboard every so often, but this button is usually in the same spot. Now in your list of sites, find the website you want to transfer. Take your time here. If you've got a lot of websites, you might want to search by site name or scroll through carefully. Think of this like picking the right key off a keychain. Choosing the wrong one can lead to confusion later. When you find the right site, look for a small icon with 3 dots, usually off to the side or when you hover over the site name. This represents more options, sort of like the extra settings you find in a smartphone app. Go ahead and click those 3 dots. Within the menu that pops up, you'll see an option called Transfer Site. Select that. Wix will now ask you for the email address of the new site owner, here, where it pays to be careful. Double-check the email address you're entering. If you're passing your site to a client, a friend, or a business partner, make sure you have the exact email they use for Wix. If they don't have a Wix account yet, that's no problem. Wix will send them instructions to get set up as part of the transfer process. After you've typed in the correct email, hit Continue. Wix is now taking care of the technical part behind the scenes. Don't worry if you don't see instant feedback. Sometimes, especially for bigger sites, things might take a minute. The new owner will get an email invite with clear steps for accepting the transfer. This is a good time to reach out and let them know to watch their inbox and maybe their spam folder just in case. And that's really it. You've made it through the whole process of transferring your Wix site to a new owner. You haven't just given someone a website, you've handed over the keys to your digital property quickly and securely. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please give the video a thumbs up and drop any questions you have down in the comments. I always love hearing from you, and I'm here to help if you get stuck. And if you want more easy-to-follow tech tutorials, make sure you subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.